Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we are going to make our last Christmas in July card. I'm a little sad about it, but we'll move on to fall and Halloween, and so that's super fun as well. I was really loving these images. I love them so much actually. So I am excited. They are my last holiday card for July. And these mugs just are too cute. My favorite is the gingerbread man, but all of them are super cute, and I love all the like cookies, and I love the whipped cream. All of it is just super fun, and even the sentiment that I'm going to actually use both of those sentiments together. And then I am going to stamp them with some black ink. I didn't really like how my black ink was inking these images, so I will go ahead and stamp and heat emboss afterwards, and that way it's a better impression. So I do have those other images though, just in case I want to use them. They're not too bad, it's just they weren't to my preference. And so I'm just doing some simple coloring with my Copic markers, just using my e-markers for this gingerbread. And I will just be using 3 of the images from this stamp set. I won't use the Santa this time, although he is adorable, and I just love hot chocolate and Christmas movies, so I think it's just super fun, this card. And I know right now some of us are in the hot heat, especially me. It's very hot where I am, but I can still drink hot coffee and hot chocolate and of course watch a Christmas movie. Super fun. And I will also be using a embossing folder, and I will be using some foil. So this card is going to be really cute. And I'm just going to color in the hot cocoa here. And so here are some of them colored up already. I will color in that snowman, and I am finishing up the reindeer. I don't know, the reindeer's super cute too. What image is your favorite? Is it the reindeer, the gingerbread, the Santa, the snowman? Maybe all of them. They're just really cute. And so I will use the outline dies as well to cut these out, and I think they are super cute. And next I will grab the A2 card fronts. These are toner that I used with some deco foil, and this is festive holidays, and I love the snowflakes, and I thought Enchanted Rose would be fun. It's a pink, red, any color, blue. I didn't want to do blue this time. I felt like I did blue last time maybe, so pink it is for this one. And then here's the daisies embossing folder. I didn't have a Christmas embossing folder, but I think the texture is just really fun. You can't really notice that they're daisies, and you could probably even transform those daisies into snowflakes somehow. We're also creative, so anything is possible. And I'm just putting that little ginger in there, and then I will decide what to do with that candy cane, and I just think it's a fun design. And I'm going to stamp my sentiments, and I'm going to actually heat emboss. Well, I did heat emboss them in black and gold, and I loved the gold a little bit better. So and then I cut them with my paper trimmer, and this is a brown A2 card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm just using my ATG gun to glue my layers here, my panel, my foiled background, and then I will also do the inside of my card, because I'm going to place that second sentiment inside. I'm also using some liquid glue as well, and I will probably just get my bone folder and make sure, yes, make sure that everything is all the way down. With embossing folders, they tend to stick up sometimes, and I wanted to make sure this one didn't. And I will also pop up 2 of those images as well as the sentiment with foam tape. And then I will, after I put those images down and my sentiment, then we'll move on to the inside of the card. So super cute. I am loving the way it looks, and I'll take that release paper and glue everything down. And there we go. And next, the little reindeer, I'm going to scoot him down a little bit. And then my snowman. So I could have colored the Santa and put him inside the card as well. That would be really cute if you do that. That way you get to use all 4 of those cups or mugs. And I will have everything listed that I used in case you are wondering. And the last one there. Super cute. I love that whipped cream and all those sprinkles. And I couldn't figure out where to put that candy cane, so it's going to go in the inside of the card. And you'll see my paper fly out of my hand in just a second. It was, I guess, slippery for some reason because I lost control. Oh, I think it was too sticky for my ATG. When I used it, it was just sticking to my hands. And so here is where I'm going to, it's going to flip out. There we go. I was able to save it, yay. And so that is my inside of my card. And so the last thing I'm going to do is use my white gel pen for a few white gel pen accents to my images. And that makes for an easy, fun, sparkly card. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I had so much fun making this card with you, and I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me. And I will share a close-up, and I will be back soon with another card tutorial. So have a wonderful day. And here it is.